Okay guys, good morning. We are now leaving Mesquite. We just packed up our car again. They had a washer and dryer, so we actually did laundry. So it's like starting a brand new trip. Yeah, we've never been to Utah. Well, Crunch Mom has. But anyways, we're heading over to Utah, guys. Whoa!
Utah!
Let's go! All right, guys, we're heading out. Let's get on the road. It's gonna be about a 4.5 hour drive. Woo, 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 woo. Okay, all right, we'll see you guys.
Oh, I just missed it. I don't know if I got it. Okay, so I didn't expect us to hit the Arizona border like literally right as we were getting onto the freeway. But we're in Arizona now. Whoa! This is my first time in Arizona. Whoa! It looks the same. Whoa!
All right, guys, so we just got to Provo. We're next to the lake. We parked it right here. All right, so we're actually gonna head over to the lake and check it out. I mean, when in Utah, you gotta check a lake out, right?
We're in Utah.
We are, you're right. You got sticks again? Oh my goodness. Are you excited to go to Salt Lake City? Oh, okay. All right, so we're gonna just, it's pretty much, today was pretty much a driving day. We're gonna take a couple of pictures. We'll post them up on Instagram, so make sure you guys go check out Instagram. We're gonna try and do a live video on TikTok or Instagram or one of those. So make sure, well, I mean, that live is gonna be up way before this video is up, so. But make sure you guys check out Instagram. We actually made it to our destination, I guess our last, we're in Utah. So you guys just saw yesterday, I forgot to film us going live on TikTok. So if you guys missed that, I'm sorry that you guys won't get a little clip of it, but we stopped by and grabbed some food, and we did do a little quick TikTok right back there, and we went live, just letting everyone know that we are on the road, we're traveling, and we're in Utah now. We're gonna try and go to the lake. There's actually a lake right up this mountain. There's a mountain right behind us. We're gonna try and go up that mountain and go to the lake. I don't know how to describe it. So it's Jordan's Baba's best friend's place. And we're gonna probably go to her daughter's place, which is kind of down the road from here. And they have a ranch, and they said to bring Jordan and Kaya over so that they could ride horses. Because he's never rode horses before. So we'll see how that goes. I don't think he realizes how big a horse is until he gets pretty close to one, because he's only seen them from far away. He's never really seen one up close and personal, like being able to touch it. So I don't know how he's gonna react to that, but hopefully it's good. So hopefully we get some footage for you guys of him actually riding on a horse and checking out the ranch. For now, I need to make coffee. Jordan's actually inside the house right now because he's got online school. So he's on there right now on the computer doing school. So we have a few, maybe probably another hour and a half of class. And then we'll probably start our day. But for now, come with me. I'm gonna make some coffee. If I can find my coffee mug. Oh, here it is. All right, so super convenient. I like to make my Jot coffee. Usually I do it hot. I just didn't want to use the stove top right now to make my coffee, so I'm actually gonna have an iced coffee or a cold coffee. Put you guys right up here. Oh, that's a lot more quiet. Okay, so it's kind of cool. Jot's in here. And honestly, it's super cool because if you don't have a mug, which we do have the offer right now going for, I believe, this mug or the glass mug. We do have offers for these mugs, but you know what? I'll do it without this because I'll show you how easy it is. So I'll show you guys exactly how easy it is. You take your Jot. I don't know if the lighting's okay, but you take your Jot And then you take a bottle of water, but I don't need 16 ounces of water. It's about a little bit less than half, so probably around 7 to 8 ounces of water. And then it's a tablespoon of your Jot coffee. I don't know if you guys can see it. Boom. So it's gonna be a tablespoon of this into here, but since it's a water bottle, I'm pretty sure that's close to it. Just give it a quick shake, shake, shake. I mean, that's it. We're done. Yeah, that's good. All right, so we're heading up to the mountain right now because there's a lake up here that we want to go check out.
Silver Lake.
Yeah, so it's called Silver Lake. So we're gonna head up there. I think it's on the maps. It's at about 10 miles or so, but you guys can clearly see. That looks cool. Look how green that mountain is.
Bug. Oh, don't touch that one. Let's go. Oh, where are they going? Go, go, go. Oh. Oh, there's no water. All right, so I guess we came up here and there was supposed to be a lake right here. So there's no water at this lake. It's more like silver fields. It's silver meadow. But it's super nice up here. Yeah, you're right. It's super nice. The air is like so fresh. All right, so we just passed by. There's a moose like right there. It's like right here. But you can't see it because it's sitting down. Look at this. This is so cool, this trail.
Found water.
Nice.
Go down.
Okay.
See what animals there.
I don't know if there's gonna be any right here. There's nothing.
Dad, today a lot of dragonflies come.
You saw them?
Let's find more animals.
Okay.
Oh, there's more ducks.
All right, so there's a moose right there. Oh, this thing's going crazy. Whoa, he's running.
He's going for the water, right?
Yeah, I think he's gonna go in the water. All right, they're pretty big. That's kind of intimidating how big they are.
I said it was 8 foot tall.
I don't know about 8 feet tall, but it's pretty tall.
Imagine if it comes close and the antlers.
Maybe. But that was pretty cool. Crunch Mom did say in the car she wanted to see wildlife. And then it started galloping towards her and then she said, okay, let's get out of here. But yeah, that was pretty cool. At least we got to see something. Instead of walking around and there was no animals. I know you guys probably couldn't really see it, but I'll post up some pictures. All right, so we were back. We walked around the whole lake. It was so peaceful. I didn't want to say much during the walk because there's other people, but man, it's so peaceful. So peaceful, quiet. The air's so clean and it's so good. It's so nice. Now we're gonna go grab some lunch. All right, guys, so we just finished up doing our little mukbang. I forgot to film it again. But we finished up and we actually came over to, so I'm just gonna say Yuta-san. So we came over to Yuta-san's daughter's house. We picked up Yuta-san, who is Baba's best friend. So it's Baba's best friend's daughter. So Yuta-san is Baba's best friend. And so we came to her daughter's house, and she's got horses and chickens and ducks, and they're playing with them right now, and I think Jordan might even ride some. So let's go take a look. Let's go see how he does. They're playing with the horses right now, so we'll go check it out.
So what is it?
Like this.
Mommy
Do you want me to
tried
try?
You try it.
one.
So just hold it like this?
Because look,
Oh my goodness.
that's gonna have mommy's face. It gives you a warning about horses. If you go too close behind them, they will kick you.
Oh yeah, so don't go
Oh yeah, don't go
them.
behind them.
Oh.
Always in front.
So soft.
They'll kick you, but they might not see you.
Oh.
They might step on you and actually.
Yeah.
So they
All right, so super cool. They have 2 horses, they have chickens, and they have ducks in there. A little like horse area where they ride around. Super cool.
Let go?
Okay.
Oh, you're good. All right.
My helmet is really strong.
Okay. Okay. Go with Mika-chan.
You want to get lifted up?
How do you do this?
So,
I really want you to get up
Put your
there.
leg over.
put your leg over there.
Nice.
And just sit up tall and hold the
Just
horn.
hold on tight. Nice.
Good.
Yeah. You're riding a racehorse.
Whoa.
Wow.
He's like leaning towards like one side. Yeah.
Get your body straight.
Are you okay?
Just like this.
Yeah.
Huh?
Is that cool?
I don't know.
I think he's. You're good.
I think that's fine.
Yeah. Nice.
She's like,
Are you gonna fall? Straighten yourself up. There you go. Nice. He's so focused.
every muscle is probably
Like super flexed. Nice.
big pony ride, huh?
Yeah.
Wow. Is that fun?
Nice.
Do you want to run now? He's like, I'm just kidding. I won't. You want to make your mom and dad ride? He's like,
Okay.
Oh yeah, he's afraid of heights.
oh, don't look down.
Let me try that. Let me try if I'm strong enough to do that. What is that
POV.
thing?
Yeah, do it.
Oh,
POV.
okay. Oh God. Okay. All right, check it out. So I'm a little bit above the ground, but that's because I'm on a horse. It just reminds me of when I was like 10. All right. Well, that was fun. Guys, so that was pretty cool. We got to ride on a thoroughbred racehorse. Super cool. I was actually surprised Jordan rode a horse. How was that?
Good.
Did you like it? You're so like, you're like,
But you know what? Daddy was nervous too.
I was never nervous.
You were so nervous.
I was never nervous. No, I was not nervous.
It's getting pretty dark now. We just got back. We're gonna eat dinner, catch up on some work while the kids are going to sleep, and we'll call it a day for today. And then tomorrow is another adventure. We're gonna head over, hopefully, to Park City and check out Park City. Kaya, how was it?
Good.
Whoa!
Oh, more rocks.
They just love playing with these rocks. I don't know why.
Came to Utah to play with them.
All right, guys. All right. We'll see you guys tomorrow.